Thank you for choosing multiple awnings. For your slim awning, let's proceed together to replace the fabric. You will need masking tape, a large table, a 5mm Allen key, a 6mm Allen key, a Torx T20 screwdriver, and rope, and a hammer, and an adjustable wrench. Note that 2 people are required to perform this procedure. First, you need to properly prepare your awning. Open the awning less than a foot in order to gain access to the arms. Then unplug the power cord if it is motorized. Secure the arms to the awning casing with rope. Place the ropes near the center of the arms, between the elbows and the shoulders. Arms should be almost fully bent. With a pencil or masking tape, mark where the motor sidearm claw attaches to the front bar. You will need to put it back in the same place at the end of the procedure. You are now ready to remove the awning from its brackets. Unscrew the mounting blocks from the brackets on both sides. With the help of the other person, remove the awning from each of its supports. Gently lay the awning on a large table. Warning: if the awning is 14 feet or longer, it weighs more than 200 pounds. A third person will be needed to help you. If the awning has a central support, it will have to be unscrewed. You will now need to remove the motor and the arm. Remove the plastic covers on each side of the casing. Then, unscrew the motor's adapter from the bracket with a 6mm Allen key. As you remove the motor, notice how the crown is inserted into the groove of the galvanized tube. It will have to be replaced in the same way. Remove the brackets by slightly unscrewing the endless screw with a 5mm Allen key. Completely remove the 2 screws that hold the bracket support with an adjustable wrench. Remove the support. Unscrew the 4 screws that hold the arm support to the structure. Remove the metal covers on each side of the front bar. On the motor side, gently unscrew the claw on the front bar arm with a 6mm Allen key. Pull the side cover and arm out of the groove until it comes out of the front bar. Place the arm and the arm support on a secure surface. Remove the fabric from the awning by pulling on the galvanized tube. Roll the fabric on itself to release it. Then, slide the fabric out of the tube. You can now replace your awning fabric. Caution: make sure you put the fabric the right way and that the seams do not catch in the groove of the tube. Gently thread the new fabric by sliding the upper part into the groove of the galvanized tube. Wrap the new fabric over the galvanized tube so that it runs over the tube and not under it. Make sure the fabric is rolled up squarely. Put some masking tape along the edge of the galvanized tube so as to avoid damage to the new fabric during insertion. With the help of another person, insert the end of the fabric into the groove of the front bar, and at the same time, insert the tube with the fabric into the box. Proceed gently when inserting to avoid tearing the new fabric. On the opposite side of the motor, make sure the ring inside is inserted into the side cover. Using a screwdriver, guide the ring towards the opening. Pull in short bursts to adjust the fabric, making sure it is well centered in the front bar. You must now reinstall the arm and the support. After removing the masking tape, insert the arm claw into the front bar. Place the claw in the spot marked with the tape and tighten the screw. Screw the side cover onto the casing. Screw on the end cap of the front bar. Replace the support and secure it with the 2 large bolts. You can reinstall the motor. Insert the small crown of the motor into the galvanized tube. Use the larger groove to slide the motor snugly into the tube. Using a hammer, drive the large plastic ring that is around the motor into the tube. Then snap the motor head into place, aligning the notches. Screw the motor adapter onto the bracket. Replace the 2 plastic covers. You can now reinstall your awning. Reinstall the awning on its brackets, making sure the awning is level. Tighten the fixing blocks well. Use the hand crank to close the awning until the safety ropes are released. You can now safely detach the arms. If it is motorized, plug in your awning. You will probably need to readjust the awning. When closing the awning, the elbows of the arms must be level for a proper closing. If you need to readjust the arms, watch the video titled Pitch Adjustment for Slim Model Awnings. Check that the motor is still programmed. You may need to reprogram your open and close limits. Watch the video titled Programming the Opening and Closing Limits for Slim Model Awnings. Multiple Awnings wishes you a good summer.